Hi guys, welcome to another video on Docker Essential Training. Today we are going to discuss about how to install Docker engine on Ubuntu 20.10 platform. Let's discuss about some prerequisite. We have to install Docker engine. You need the 64-bit version of an Ubuntu. Docker engine is supported on x64-bit architecture, and virtualization must be on your hardware. Let's jump into our machine. Here's my environment. I have Ubuntu 20.10. To install Ubuntu Docker engine in Ubuntu 20.10, please open your favorite browser here and search for install Docker Ubuntu. Click on the first link came up in the result, docs.docker.com engine install Ubuntu. Here we are going to follow this manual to install Docker engine in Ubuntu. Here you see the OS requirement is Ubuntu 2020 and other. It supports 64-bit. Here you see how to uninstall the old version if you already installed or you have already installed Docker in your system. It supports Docker usually supports overlay to UFS BTRFS storage driver. Overlay to storage driver by default. It's one kind of union type file system. Okay, and there are three ways to install Docker in your Ubuntu environment. The first one is you can install Docker directly using the Docker repositories using internet connection. And second one, you can manually download the dep packages and install it manually. There are another way to install Docker in development environment using some script. Let's try the first method, install using the repository. Before you install Docker engine for the first time on the first machine, you need to set up the Docker repository. Okay, let's open our terminal. Okay. We should run this command sudo apt-get update. Okay. It's working. Let's try this second command. Copy again. Press Y. Now we have to add official Docker GPG key. Okay. Now we have to verify the fingerprint key by using this command. The fingerprint key seems okay. Here CD88. Let's see. Okay, let's add the stable repository of Docker. Enter to continue. Okay, a repository has been added. Now we are going to install Docker engine. And install the latest container engine and containerd. First update all of our packages by this command. All the packages are already updated. Let's execute this command to install Docker CE, Docker CLI and containerd. By this command it will install Docker engine and Docker CLI interface and container. Y to accept. It will take some time depending on your internet connection. Stay with us for a while. The container d.io package is downloading. Now Docker CE CLI package is being downloaded here. Now packages are getting prepared to be installed. Okay, the installation process has been done. To install a specific version of Docker engine, list the available version in the repo and select and install. To list the available version in the repo, we have to run this command. There is only one version available here. This version. We are going to install this version in our system. To install a specific version using the version string from the second column here that I have selected, we are going to use this command. Maximize this window and okay, copy this string, remove this version string word, paste it, remove this one and paste the string. Now we have to press enter. Okay. So we have installed this Docker version in our system. Now we have to verify the Docker engine is installed correctly and running by executing hello world command. First of all, let's clear this window. Run this command. This command download a test image and runs it in a container. When the container runs, it prints an informational message and exit. Let's run this command first. Unable to find this container. It's been pulling from internet and showing this output, hello from Docker. So Docker engine is installed and running perfectly. Let's check another time. Okay, hello from Docker. So everything is working fine. So therefore we have learned how to install Docker engine in Ubuntu 20.10, and we have also created a test container named hello world, and it shows the output in our terminal. Thanks a lot for watching this video. See you next time. Bye.